To edit a document means to either add items or remove existing ones from a document. So you can add items like text, text box, images, table, etc. to a document or remove similar items from the document. It is simply called updating a document. Before you edit a document, the document must have been existing. Hence, you will need to locate the document, open it, and then edit the document. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to open existing documents and how to edit a document. To open an existing document, there are different ways to go about it. You can start by locating the folder where the document is residing, then open the folder, let's say documents, then look for the document you want to open and maybe click on it and open the document. You can as well start by opening Microsoft Word first. Let's assume you go to Microsoft Word and click open, and Word opens. Now if the document you want to edit was recently worked on, then it will appear under the list here. Now because the list here is limited, you can as well go to open here, which have an enlarged list, and check to see if the document you want to edit is here. Now if you cannot find the document there, you can as well check on folders that exist on the system that have been worked on recently. Now if the document you want to edit is not in any of the folders, then you can actually go to this PC, which actually gives you the folders on this PC. Then you can locate the folder from within the folders in the PC, or simply click on browse. When you click on browse, you also look for the folder you are looking for, and when you get the folder, you double click on it or simply select it and select open for the folder to open. Then when you locate your document, all you need to do is to simply select the document and click open for the document to open. Now, if the document you want to open is within the recently opened document, all you need to do is to locate the document. Let's say, for example, let's work on resume example. You just click on it and it will open. You can now start your editing. To edit a document is very simple. It's to either add or remove something from your document. When you have opened the document you want to edit or work on, all you need to do is to locate what you want to remove or where you want to add something to the document. For example, if I want to change this image, what I need to do is to right click on it. Since I have the placeholder which I really need, I will right click on it and select change picture, and I will go to from file, and I will locate the image I want to use to change that one. Let's take for example, I want to use this image. I will select it and click insert. The image is automatically replaced. Now if I want to add a text box, maybe I just want to add a text box indicating something here, what I need to do is to go to Insert. I will select text box. I can select text box from here, but I prefer using text box from Shapes, and I will draw the text box, and I type what I need to include in my text box here, and I will now change, maybe fill it up with a fill color, or remove the line. Whatever I need to do, all I am doing is to add something to the document. Now if I want to remove and change something, like here, this the objective, I want to put up the objective to consolidate on existing on what is existing, on what is existing within the establishment, and work towards modeling the outcome to conform with the vision of the organization. Let's put a long-term vision, the long-term vision of the organization. Now let's assume you just wanted to do that correction, you add it, then you can edit certain things here. All you are doing is to edit. You can delete. By deleting, you click and backspace or highlight and press delete. You can add any kind of thing to your document. That's simple. But the only thing there is, when you are editing a document, you always press Ctrl S to save what you edited, except you are using the autosave, which will help you to save your document in the cloud, that is in OneDrive cloud, so you can be rest assured that whatsoever you change takes effect. So this is where we wrap it up for today's tutorial. The next tutorial we are going to start using Microsoft Word, and I plead with you to please subscribe to this channel, share, and comment in the comment sections. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.